In today's session of HYDAC's Techbench, we're diving into how vision systems and functional safety work hand in hand to keep mobile machinery operations secure. Let's take a look at the setup. Operators rely on clear, real-time information to safely navigate their work environment. With TTControl display products, you can easily view crucial data and camera feeds that ensure functional safety without compromising on performance. Notice how the display interface is designed for intuitive interaction, reducing the risk of human error while maintaining a comprehensive view of your surroundings. By integrating robust vision systems with functional safety features, these TTControl displays empower operators to make faster, informed decisions in dynamic environments. For more hands-on insights into fluid technologies, stay tuned to HYDAC's Techbench series.